You asked for it, here it is, 10 wigs under $200. Welcome back to my channel. I am having so much fun with this series, You Asked For It. I've been getting so many requests for different types of videos, so if you have some ideas and things you want to see, be sure to leave them in the comments below. But this has been so fun for me, and one thing I get so many requests for are budget-friendly wigs. So I am going to show you 10 today. Now let me quickly tell you how this is going to work. First of all these wigs are from wigstudio1.com, and I have already reviewed all these wigs. This is not a wig review. This is going to be fast. Now if you see one you want to know more about, you want to see specs, color comparisons, color description, video and outdoor lighting, discussion of cap fit, permatease, all those things are in the full videos of these wigs. All you have to do is go to the search bar of my channel, type in the name of the wig, and the full review will pop up. We're not going to go through all that today, but I am just going to quickly show you these 10. Now the first thing I want to do is give you this disclaimer. At the time of this filming, all of these wigs were less than $200 on the wigstudio1.com website. Now there are 30% off on several brands over there all the time. You'll see that. And these fall into that range. So they're always on 30% off. Now, like I said, this is true at the time of this recording. That could change tonight. That could change tomorrow. The wig prices change constantly, but they are all under $200 today at the time of this filming. Now, when we talk about budget friendly, first of all, I want to tell you and make it very clear to you that it is not lost on me how much wigs cost. They are very expensive. I totally get it and understand that. Everyone's budget is different. So when I say budget friendly, in this case, I'm just saying these are under $200. But just keep in mind, I totally understand wigs are extremely expensive and getting more expensive all the time. That's why I take such excellent care of my wigs. Every time I take a wig off, I spray the ends with some detangler. I put them back in the box they came in, and I take as good a care of my wigs as I can. When they need heat, for heat-friendly fibers, I add heat. I want them to last as long as I can. Also, I just want to tell you, the majority of the wigs I purchase myself. I purchase from the open box section at Wig Studio One. So be sure to keep an eye over there. They update that website every couple days, adding more open box styles to that. And sometimes they even will have an extra discount off of the top of that. Make sure you've downloaded their app and you will get a notification when they're going to have extra savings. All right, let's get started. First up, Aesthetica Design Sage. This color is RH12 26 RT4 Simple Bob. Now this has a lace front and a mono part. I think that is an excellent buy. It is $194.60 with the discount applied right now at Wig Studio One. That is an excellent buy, I believe, for this wig. Now also keep in mind, the majority of these wigs I'm going to show you do have permatease because, you know, if it is a full mono top or a hand-tied cap, those are going to be much, much more expensive. So of course, wigs that do not have those features will be less expensive. Yes, there is permatease running all through this wig, even though it is a lace front and a mono part on this one. And I'll show you this lace front. It still has permatease running all through. That is not a problem for me. I love big hair, but however, I know a lot of people do not, but I just want to call that to your attention. All right, this is my much loved Scorpio. This is not Scorpio PM. This is the wefted version of Scorpio in Nutmeg F. I love this color and I love this wig. I have Scorpio. I do not know how many colors. It is always going to be in my wig closet. And it has bangs. This is a wig that I recommend a lot of times for new wig wearers who like bangs, who are brand new to wigs, or just learning how to care for their wigs. This is a great place to start, in my opinion. Wow, look at this color. This is Glazed Fire, and this is Rockel Welch Voltage, another tried and true wig that has been around forever. I think will continue to be around. I know so many people started their wig journey with this cute short voltage. I love, love, love the flippy ends on this. I have repurchased this wig over and over again. I like the bang. I like that I can spike this up, all the layers. It's a true throw on and go. I could not do one of these videos and not include Naro Alva. This was a huge hit. When it first released, everybody wanted it, me included, and I have repurchased it over and over. It has bangs, it's a beautiful style. This color is Mochaccino R. I like that it has a lot of movement. It's a little longer, and I think that's made it very popular. It's nice. It has this nice length under the chin. It works for most face shapes. Another one I always want to have. Where are all my short wig lovers? Aesthetica Jet, RH1488, RT8. Now this one has a lace front. I really like the nape on Jet. If it's very snug to the neck, I like that. It doesn't lift. Like I said, it has a lace front, so you can wear this off your face, which is so cute, pulled back, and that gives you a little, you know, a few more styling options. But what an adorable, fun style. Another fun throw on and go. This is Renee of Paris, Cocoa Maple Sugar R. This color is so pretty. I think they did a beautiful job with this color. Again, bangs. I tend to like these short wigs that have flippy backs. Always have. I just think they're just a no-brainer. You throw this on, run your hands through it, use a hot air brush on the bangs. I always do that, and you're out the door. This is a style that I think is another great beginner wig. I know a lot of people have started out with Rockel Welch Trendsetter, and this color is Glazed Strawberry. I love the Rockel Welch reds. Again, my flippy ends that I like. This one is a little longer in the back. Now I like that. If you have hair that grows down a little bit on your neck, this gives really good coverage. Just gorgeous. Side swept bangs. You can tuck this behind your ear. Give this a little more sleek look. There's lots of permatease here. A lot of permatease, but like I said, I'm all about that, so not a problem for me. But I just, again, think this is a great beginner wig. Now y'all know I was late to the game on this wig, but I guess better late than never, right? Aesthetica Mello R30 2826. Now, of all the wigs I'm showing you, I think this is an excellent buy. At the time of this filming, it is $199.50 on the wigstudio1.com website, and I want to tell you it is worth every dime. This has a lace front and a mono part on this one, and which of course gives you a lot of extra styling. The mono part is about that wide. You could move it a little, not much. You're going to be pretty much held to where it is, but this is a beautiful style, a beautiful length, beachy wave. I love the fibers on this. I'm so glad I finally got to try Mello. I fell in love with this wig when I put it on. If you are looking for something a little less expensive but a long style, check out Naro Seville. This color is Crimson LR. This color is gorgeous. Like I said, a longer style with the bangs. Now, I have trimmed these bangs. I always disclose when I've done any kind of modification to a wig, and I have trimmed the bangs, and I might trim these a little more. Usually when I trim my bangs on my wigs, I'll wear them a few times and then see if I need to, and this one I do. It's still getting in my eye a little bit over here, so I'm going to do a little more trimming on these bangs. But isn't this a beautiful style, long and sleek? And at the time of this filming, it was $173.88 at Wig Studio One. And I just don't think you can beat that price. When this was released, I remember everyone scrambling to get their hands on this wig. Aesthetica Brighton, and my color is R30, 28, 26. Yes, this was super popular when it was first released, and I can see why. Beachy waves, it has a lace front and a mono part. I love all of these beachy waves. I just think this is such a beautiful wig, and this is $186.90, lace front and mono part, like I said. I think this color is so pretty. R30, 28, 26. Wow, this is gorgeous. So those are just a few of the budget-friendly wigs under $200 that I put together for you for this fun series. You asked for it. So if you have some suggestions, again, leave me some comments below. I can't wait to hear some of the videos that you would like to see. Have you tried any of these? Let me know if you have. What are your thoughts on them? What are your favorite colors? I'm also thinking about, I've been getting so many requests for makeup tutorials. I'm gonna try to do that. It's just finding the time, y'all. It's just hard to find the time. But I do wanna do it because, especially since I changed to Saint makeup, which changed the game for me, I really would like to share more of that with you. Again, leave me some comments. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.